Good morning from the Philippines. Today, I'm going to show you what a day in the life as a freediver in training looks like. This is the Freedive Academy that I'm training at, located near the Napling Reef in Panglao, Bohol. So usually my mornings start with mindfulness, a little bit of lung stretching and diaphragm stretching to help better the dive, a little bit of yoga to help engage the muscles and clear the head, and last but not least, breath work. So today I invite you to take the deepest inhale you've taken all day. In through your nose for a count of 5, and out through your nose slowly for the count of 8. Relax your body and release any tension, any worry you've built up over the day. Or if it's just your morning, then it's a good way to wake up. Take this moment to sit with yourself and be in the stillness, gifting yourself the silence. So now it's time to get ready. I'm going to grab all my dive gear and head to the Napling Reef, where we collect the buoys that we dive on and snorkel out and tie up. This is the part where you perform your breathe up, the preparation to take your final breath before diving into the water below, and to signal your mammalian dive reflex, calming your mind and allow thoughts to come and go without judgment, relaxing every muscle in your body and being present. And when you are ready, perform a full body exhale and a full body inhale. Now hold. Dive into the portal below, crossing planes mentally and physically. Everything becomes quiet, and your dive reflex tells your heart rate to slow down, to conserve oxygen. Blood vessels in the extremities constrict and sends the blood to your vital organs, like your brain and heart. Feel the weightlessness and the fluidity of your body as you become negatively buoyant, allowing the ocean to pull you deeper, accepting you as part of its own. Now you reach the bottom. It's time to wake up a little bit, as this is the hardest part of the dive. Your O2 levels are dropping, and now you have to fight against the negative buoyancy. You must fight the urge to breathe from the CO2 building in your body by relaxing into the dive. You may feel contractions, but you have to learn to not react to them, just being an observer of your body and the master of your mind. You begin to float up naturally without any effort, like being pulled into a vortex. Now breathe. 3 recovery breaths, signaling an okay to your buddy. That was a super successful day of diving. I was averaging around 25 to 28 meters diving today. I'm a little tired because this is like my 4th day of diving, along with some fun dives and like beach adventures. So maybe tomorrow's a rest day, and yeah, right now I'm gonna take a quick rest, hang out in the hammock for a while, and then the second part of the training for freediving is pool training. So that kind of varies what we do, but yeah, definitely got to rest up because pool training is usually a lot harder in terms of like you want to train harder in the pool, so diving is easier. But yeah. Pool training is a series of different disciplines for freediving. Today I'm going to be training no fins diving, and I actually got a PB, so that's personal best in the pool for 80 meters on one breath hold. No fin diving is arguably one of the hardest disciplines in freediving because you use the most amount of energy. But honestly, it's my favorite one because you feel the most free. Woo! I'm dizzy!
What did you do?
80 no fins.
80 no fins?
Yeah.
What?
80.
80 no fins?
Yeah.
Wow, 8 no fins all the time?
Woo!